Mattress Maker, my friend Aiden. Aiden, you went through Work Texas, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you learn a great skill?
Yes, sir.
As a welder?
Yes, sir.
He's doing very well now. Got a great job. How you doing, Mike?
All good, Mac. How are you?
I'm here with, both of us are here with superstar Aiden.
That's right. We're both working hard, being nice, and we have a great example of working hard and being nice. Right?
When you went to Work Texas, how old were you?
I was 18.
18. How long were you here?
Probably a year.
Why did you want to take welding class with Work Texas?
I just wanted to get somewhere in life. I wanted to put myself out there.
What did you do to keep getting better as a welder?
I just pushed myself. Like, some people just didn't believe in me at work. They didn't think, oh, he's just a kid. He doesn't want to learn anything. I was like, no, I'm going to push myself into the world.
And since you love welding, where does this go next? Where do you see yourself doing in 10 years?
Probably refinery or pipeline.
So you want to keep welding just out there on the pipeline?
Yes, sir.
That's making some serious bank at
Yes,
that
sir.
point.
This is an outstanding young man. This is an example of what you can do too at the great Work Texas facility as we put Texans to work and change their life for the better forever, right? But if you want to help teach the next generation, become electricians, welders, plumbers, carpenters, and other trades, and reach out to Work Texas. Estimated skilled tradesmen in Texas right now, we need over 200,000 skilled tradesmen. That's a lot of people and a lot of great paying jobs. We're looking for more master craftsmen and craftswomen to teach their skills, so we have enough people in the trades in Houston and all over Texas. We've got to fill 250,000 jobs. Call 832-817-1354. Teach these young people. Ask for time, and it will change your life for the better forever. You'll find purpose and meaning in helping these young people become successful. Right, Aiden?
Yes, sir.